Mm-hmm.
What you get to do to them? That's called sugar.
I think that, like, cancels out the health qualities.
Who wants to be healthy?
Me. Woo! No. This is about to happen right here. Mm-hmm. You see this?
What?
I closed it. Oh my goodness, it seriously